There are a lot of questions in candle making groups regarding candle testing. These are the official results from the American Society for Testing and Materials. Some of it is surprising, so let's go through this together. For slide 1, this is no surprise. You should test the same vessel, wax batch, wick type, fragrance percentage, dye amount, if any, and environment when you test. Only change one thing at a time. Next, burn the candle for 4 hours, extinguish, let it cool for 5 hours before burning again. Again, no surprise, most of us are doing this. At the end of the burn, measure melt pool width, depth, flame height, mushrooming or smoke, vessel temperature, wick curl direction, and surface condition. I was surprised the guidelines say at the end of the burn instead of during. This one surprised me. Burn at least 3 identical candles before giving your combo a passing grade. Comment if you're doing this or if this is a surprise for you too. Measure melt pool at its widest, measure depth with a stainless ruler, measure to the end of the entire candle burn, not just the first 2 burns. I just eyeball it. I don't think I own a stainless ruler. Should I get one? Watch for flashpoint behavior. Are you asking what is that? It's a warning to pay attention to how your fragrance oil reacts at higher melt temperatures before you pour. You're looking for things like FO separating or swirling. If the fragrance starts forming streaks, clouds, or an oily layer on top as the wax hits higher temps, that's considered flashpoint behavior. It means the FO may not be fully binding. If your FO is evaporating too fast, you may notice a sudden strong scent in the air, or even steam like wisps, not smoke. If the scent is fading quickly after being added, that means you added the FO when the wax was too hot and it is volatilizing, meaning turning into vapor. If your FO is dancing or bubbling when added, then it is reacting to the heat, not igniting, but overheating. Whoa, that is a lot of science. Do you think this is overkill? Let me know in comments. Now for the rest of the list. You are watching for excessive sooting, flame about 3 inches. This is surprising because most candle makers aim for 1 inch. Additionally, you are watching for the container overheating, cracking, or fracturing. Wick drifting or falling, this means your wax pool is too deep. And finally, unsafe flame movement, wax flooding, and fragrance separation. Now testing the bottom of the candle. They want you to test the last 1/2 inch. Another surprising request. Let me know in comments if you are doing this. And of course, they want you to document everything. Batch number, wax type, wick brand and size, vessel size, FO load, dye type and amount, date poured, cure days, room temperature, burn cycle notes, photos, temperature readings, and pass-fail conclusion. Are you doing this? Please put your thoughts in comments. And finally, they have requirements for room temp, 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, no drafts, no ceiling fans, no open windows, and a level heat-safe surface. This is just the safety test. They don't care about hot throw, burn times, or even reaching a melt pool by 4 hours. But I suppose if you pass all the items on this list, you won't have to worry about any of these. If you are new to my channel, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain vessels into works of art using sublimation and engraving. For a limited time, you can get my book at cost. Link is below. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.